Hey everyone, Nate here with Snyder Built Homes. This is 2335 Rock Gardens Drive. You've seen it in our previous videos from the ground up. Now I want to take a little moment, we'll walk through, see the finished product, see you inside. So here we are in the foyer. We have a wide entrance here, high ceilings, kind of vaulted here. If you come in to the right, you have your 2 bedrooms. This way we have the garage, the laundry room, separate of everything. So here we have our kitchen. Extra big island that we put in this. These cabinets that you see, these are not box store cabinets. I am a cabinet dealer strictly for myself. I'm able to get a high quality cabinet. They're all self-close. They're all plywood. All the drawers dovetailed. Super nice cabinets. I use these in all of our homes, including my personal one. On this model, we went ahead and did the quartz countertops with the full backsplash. Pot filler is hooked to the hot water line. Lets you boil up your water a little quicker. All Frigidaire appliances, including your double fridge with your freezer below, microwave, dishwasher, some above cabinet lighting. This house has a ton of lights, some Pendleton lights. Here's our living room. We have a fireplace, a mantle, your big screen TV. Remember, as you saw in the previous videos, that all has blocking in it, as the cabinets and everything else do, but super easy for you to mount a TV, pre-wired fireplace, mantle. Extra big ceiling fan, super high ceilings, lots of natural light. This is a huge double 12-foot slider with a nice deck out back. Pardon me, we're still putting on a few railings going down the deck. But nice tongue and groove on the exterior with recessed lighting. But as you can see, lots of natural light, not lots of regular light. Over here we have a pantry. And I'll get into the shelving as we get into the master, but come on. So here we have our master, super tall ceiling fan, and lights. All of our rooms in all of our houses have ceiling fans and lights. Once again, you are pre-wired for your TV with backing, for your TV mount, lots of windows in the master. Really upgraded flooring throughout this whole house. One thing I want to remind everyone is, remember, in our previous videos, you can see that we insulated this entire wall going all the way down to the front of the house. This is for sound. The flash and bat, go back, look at our videos of this home doing the flash and bat. This is going to keep your energy way down and keep your power bill, cooling bill way down. Let's move into the master bath. This is our master bath. Same countertop, same backsplash. We got a really upgraded mirror. It has heat, cool. Someone takes a shower, you can turn the heat on, it won't fog up the mirror. Double vanities. All of our fixtures are Delta fixtures. We don't want to be back in 6 months changing out a fixture. We give you the best. Right up front, fully tiled shower. This niche here is a motion niche. You walk in, it comes on. Could be a nightlight. This also has a nightlight, but fully tiled shower and floor. And if you come in here, all of our closets, our pantry has custom closet shelving. You can see they come in, they design it. This is with everything closets. You got some drawers. They really take a small space, or a medium-sized space, I should say, and really make it adequate for everything. Behind the door, there's a bunch of shelves, places to hang your clothes, your skirts, your pants, whatever. You can really feel the tightness of this home with that flash and bath. It makes such a difference. Let's go check out the second bedroom. This would be your second bedroom. Once again, recessed lights plus ceiling fan. Here's your custom closet shelves in the second bedroom. Makes it super convenient for everybody, gives a lot more places than just the regular wired cheap shelf, if you will. Go in here, same thing with your linen closet. It's got shelving in it. This would be the hall bath. Yes, we still have to hang the mirror, we have it. But once again, same countertop, same cabinets. These are, once again, upgraded cabinets. Shower, bath, Delta fixtures, pretty basic. This would be the front bedroom. Lots of natural light. And remember, all these rooms, even the one we just did, I didn't point out, but TV, bracing for TV. I think we have some staging stuff in here, but yeah, staging and some cleaning stuff. But closets, nice 3-door panel doors. And we'll head into the laundry. So here's your little foyer. You got a little area here. We didn't do anything with this. We figured we would let whoever buys it do whatever they want. If they want a bench, if they want coat hangers, key hangers, whatever they want. But when you enter the garage, you'd be entering from right here. I love this garage. It's got super high ceilings. You could put shelving up here for storage. This is an ultra quiet lift master. But the insulated garage door, that's not the cheap garage door, that's fully insulated. With the 5-panel window. Makes it look really nice, allows some light in here with that window. You have a freezer dedicated outlet, I believe, here. And then all your GFIs. Lots of electrical, lots of place to hang some shelves and put all your stuff up. And here's the laundry. Nothing too extravagant. Same cabinets up here, put your soap in, stuff like this. This would be your dryer, then your washer right here. So as I mentioned before, 12-foot double door slider, super nice. You could open this up and have pull your screens in. Nice weather, nice days out. You could sit out here. You actually got a fairly nice backyard here. Property line goes out to the little stream. Everything's been hydro seeded. Give it a couple days and about a week and a half we'll start seeing some grass. But went with some upgraded railing here. Goes out, your egress would be down here. Excuse me, we're right in the middle of finishing that up. By the end of the day, this will be completely done. But super nice deck to sit out there, drink your coffee in the mornings, in the evenings, whatever you do. So I want to thank everyone for following us. Thank you for liking our videos, sharing our videos. I get a lot of feedback. We're excited to have you come out and just take a look around. Or maybe you just want a nice, solid home and a peace of mind that you've bought something of quality. Thank you for watching, and we'll continue our videos as we move forward. Like I said, we got, I think, 37 to do in here, so lots of time. But come grab them before they're taken up. Thanks for watching.